So we represent them. There would have been more greater tasks at the next level we will aspire to attain. As you are all aware, the successes and achievements of our great party, like any other organization, is a function of good leadership. And that has been our secret all these years. Again, as you are aware, there is a vacuum in that leadership of our great party, which has led us to election victories and successful transition, following the resignation of the former chairman, Senator Abdullahi Adamu. In the effort and genuine desire to sustain these initiatives for good governance, the Progressive Governors Forum of our party, under the chairmanship of Governor Hope Uzodimma, recently decided to act swiftly in endorsing a candidate so as to avoid any leadership vacuum or gap in the party. They did that also in their wisdom and in line with the approval of the leader of our great party, of our, President Bola Tinubu, on the candidate of choice. That candidate is none other than the former governor of Kano State, His Excellency Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje. They have weighed his leadership capacity, commitment, and experience to lead the party well before taking that decision. It is not surprising, therefore, that since the Progressive Governors Forum endorsed and announced Ganduje's candidature, many political interest groups have similarly endorsed him to lead the party in an active capacity for now. We, as representatives of elders of the party from North Central Zone, are here today in continuation of the series of endorsements of Abdullahi Ganduje. We represent different elders groups of the party in the zone. Of the series of endorsements, ours is one of the most significant because we are from the same geopolitical zone with the former national chairman, Abdullahi Adamu, who resigned recently. We are concerned with merit, quality, and continuity in leadership for our party. We are in no doubt that Dr. Ganduje will play that chairmanship role very effectively in an acting capacity. For these reasons, we hereby collectively endorse him to chair our great party and to continue where Abdullahi Adamu stopped. Abdullahi Adamu stopped in steering the ship of the party until substantive leadership positions are filled at the next convention in line with the party's constitution. We implore all concerned and the media to share in our collective desire for him to succeed, for the party to succeed, and for the interest of Nigeria. Thank you for your attention. God bless our party, and God bless Nigeria.
I'm so optimistic and happy that North Central Geopolitical Zone is the center of diversity in this country. Diversity, and here we have unity in diversity. Yes. We are united for a common cause, for the success of our great party, the APC, a new government with mission and vision, a new government that has articulated its programs and projects from the manifesto of our great parties, APC, and everything is set in place for execution of various programs and projects to uplift Nigeria to the next level. So we are happy that you are concerned about our party. Our party is the greatest party in Africa. And our party is one of the most important institutions in democracy. And in fact, a party is the nucleus of any government because it is the foundation where extensive recruitment takes place for membership of the party and also involve itself in the recruitment of elected officers, even appointed officers. So you can see everything about our government starts from a political party. Therefore, we need a solid foundation, a strong foundation. And we need to manage our diversity. And we are so happy that our president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is a man of diversity. If we look at his previous achievements as the governor of Lagos State and a Democrat during when we were trying to send away military from the scene of democracy. He took an active part. So our party today, we have to appreciate our previous leaders. We are not the type of people who will come and be condemning previous leaders. No. They did their best. And we are coming to put on what they have already done, to improve what they have done. We'll introduce some reforms in the party, because a party that has been ruling for 8 and more years, there is no doubt, because of complexity of governance, there is need for some reform in some aspects of the political party. We make sure that all the organs of the political party are functioning. All the stakeholders are carried on board. We are not going to behave like beating about the bush. We know where we are headed to. We know what we want to achieve. The whole nation is our agenda. We must examine in each state what is our strengths, what is our weakness. We must see in each state who are the major stakeholders. How are they united? How do they come together to move that party or that government forward? This is our responsibility. So it's not an issue for just an election time. As I have been saying, a political party is an institution, is all the year-round activity. So we assure you, we will extend your participation, include your participation. We are going to be all-inclusive. A party that is active is a party that provides an enabling environment for stakeholders to participate, to act. So we thank you for endorsing my candidature for this. I appreciate you. Like the leader has mentioned, your endorsement is the most important endorsement because you have voluntarily lost the chairmanship of the party under normal conditions, especially in a young democracy like Nigeria. What one would have expected is demonstration. But there is no demonstration. This is a liberation. This is an endorsement. So I'm so happy. Others are following because we are showing the way forward. We thank you for this. And we assure you we shall build this party. Thank you. And God bless. Thank you.